Hello everyone, today I record the scenes of unboxing of asus rtx5060ti with 16GB. First, we review the front side and rear side. There is a fingerprint on the power socket. Is this a used one? Second, we'll review the protective film of the front side and rear side. Then the two fans protective film. It's awkward when I review the display port protective film, so I accelerate. The device can only run at PCIe 3.0 by 8 link on my computer, even if plugged into PCIe by 16 slot. So there is no need to plug the graphic card to first PCIe by 16 slot. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.